The animation starts with a shooting range competition. The two characters, Tom and Jerry, see the shooting range building where the camera rotates 360 degrees around the building. There is a signboard on the right side of the building saying that there is going to be an event to shoot the golden egg and the winner will get $1 million. The two characters are looking at each other after reading the signboard. Now both of them are walking to the building through the main gate. As they enter, they see a list of rules, that is, round 1 they have to shoot the duck, round 2 they have to shoot the target, and in round 3 they have to shoot the golden egg. Close shot of characters picking up the shooting guns from the table. They are moving towards the hall of round 1 where they have to shoot the moving duck. Tom is all ready to shoot. This is the slow motion close shot of the bullet leaving Tom's gun. Bullet hits the duck and the duck fell down. Tom is very happy. Next is Jerry's turn aiming to shoot. But he missed with a little time difference between the bullet and the duck. Jerry lost the first round and he is shocked and sad. First round winner is Tom. Now both are moving towards the round 2 door. Here is the close shot of both opening the door. Medium close view shot of the table with the guns and 3 targets. Top view showing Tom and Jerry holding the guns and shooting. Jerry shot the target. Round 2 winner is Jerry. Now both are moving towards round 3, the final round. Close shot of both characters picking up the guns. This is long shot of round 3, that is to shoot the golden egg, and the egg moves in 360 degree camera view. Tom is all ready to shoot. Close shot of the bullet leaving the gun. This is the medium shot showing the bullet has passed from near of the golden egg. Tom failed here. Close shot of Jerry preparing his gun to shoot. Very close camera shot showing the bullet leaving the gun in the slow motion. Medium shot from top view showing that the bullet has hit the golden egg. Jerry won. He is happy and flying high, shown in close shot. Close shot of Tom as he lost the game. Medium shot of Jerry flying high and Tom is very sad. Tom congratulates Jerry. This is the side view of Tom and Jerry and the camera's middle shot. They are moving towards the winner prize shown with long camera shot. This is the close shot where Jerry is holding the check of $1 million. Long shot, Tom is thinking that he can't save his mom now and Jerry sees through his thoughts. Jerry is thinking that Tom needs money to save his mom, but he also thinks about his cricket academy. But he satisfies himself by saying that never mind because he thinks that nothing costs more than a life. This is medium shot of side view of Tom and Jerry. Jerry gives the check to Tom. This is close view shot of Tom. Tom is very happy and he thinks that humanity still exists. Thank you.